Hi everyone, I am Pranto. This is my first video. Today I will share how I spent in this Friday. You can think of this as my first English speaking practice video. Today is Friday, July 17, 2026. Since I did not have college today, I woke up late. I woke up at 9 am, made my bed, brushed my teeth, washed my face and hand and freshened up. Then I looked at my daily routine. First, I start my day with a 10-minute workout. After finishing my workout, I drink a glass of water and I sit down to study. After studying 1 hour continuously, I had my breakfast. Then I spent some time scrolling phone and washed my dirty cloth. At around 12 pm, I took a shower and then prayed. After my prayed, I went to return the book I have brought from a senior sister. After return home, I had lunch at 2 pm. Then I took a nap for about 2 hours. From 7 pm to 9 pm, I studied for my exam. Therefore, I finished my dinner. I studied until 11 pm. Then I spent some time on my phone. I planned my schedule for the coming day. Finally, I brushed my teeth and went to bed. That was my Friday. See you in my next English speaking practice video. Thanks for watching.